all our unhappiness, our misery, everything is because we have desire and expectation for little things, if not big things. Big things like lot of money, lot of luxury, lot of name, fame, etc., position, prestige, all that. And small things, I should be loved by everybody, everybody should appreciate me, everybody should talk good of me, everybody should be considerate to me, understanding. I think all of us, we are victim of these. If somebody says that no, you have not done this well, face will become like this. You will feel, oh, I did so much. I will tell you that one incident. When we came, Swamiji said he was never happy in the manner in which the kitchen runs. Because Swamiji wanted to feed everybody. But ever since he had established the ashram, those who had stayed here and the help that they got, they could not feed everybody, whoever came. So that Swamiji had told me this many times. So it so happened that after we came, I think after 1 year or so, when I got a little settled, Swamiji's birthday came. Here generally the star birthday is seen. The star on which day in this month. So Swamiji's birthday would be falling sometimes in April, sometimes in May, whichever star. So that used to pose a lot of difficulty. Then it was decided, when many people started coming, that let us go by the English date. So that year, with whatever language at that time I knew, I did not know the language well, and the help that we had, I felt that I have arranged everything very well. Lot of people came, and suddenly unknown people also came, and everybody was given food. Beggars, at that time beggars used to come. Beggars were also given food. So at the end of the day, I told Swamiji that, Swamiji, you have been telling me that you always had a pain that people are not fed properly in our ashram. Kitchen doesn't run well. Now, I think today's feeding has gone off very well, and I am very happy that it has been so. So Swamiji kept quiet. So I said, Swamiji, you had told me this, and now that everything has gone off well, at least say something that you are satisfied. Or say a few words of appreciation. Swamiji looked at me and said, oh, actually you should have reminded me to appreciate you. He said that. So I think I did not think on that for a long time. Much later, one day I thought that, see, he has said this only to hit me with this, that I was becoming very proud and having ego, that after I have taken charge of the kitchen, everything has gone up well. So Swamiji told me that I should have reminded him. He doesn't feel, for him, if the feeding has gone off well, it is good. Then why should he appreciate? And so, this is a desire. Actually, for any spiritual seeker, desire is to be completely removed. Vasanakshaya, it is called. Vasanakshaya, Manonasha and Tattvajnana. These three. And Yoga Vasishtha, it talks about it. That Vasana, if the Vasana is there, then the Vasana is a bondage. And what is moksha? What is liberation? Vasana kshayaha. That is, removal of vasana is moksha.